Hi, my name is Khoa and I'm a second-year industrial design student at QUT. My family and I wanted me to study overseas after I have graduated from high school. I chose Brisbane as my sister is living and studying in Brisbane as well. My agent told me that I didn't actually have to complete high school in Vietnam and could take the foundation course instead. So I completed the extended foundation course at QUT International College and now studying for the Bachelor of Design, majored in Industrial Design at QUT. The best thing about my study program is the design workshop. Prototyping is incredibly vital as it helps to inform your design processes and it makes the design task less complex. QUT provides students with the optimal access to modeling equipment, materials, as well as exciting and supportive working environment at the workshop. You will be taught carefully by the staff how to make the best models while conforming to specific safety rules. Regarding the staff, they are amazingly helpful and all you need to do is asking. I have been living in Australia for 2 years and Brisbane, in my opinion, is an amazing city and is an amazing place to live and to study. One of the best things about Brisbane is the buses. I mean, they're amazing, aren't they? They are clean, air-conditioned, and bus drivers are extremely friendly. And it's also free to travel between the two campuses, Cameron Grove and Gardens Point. I would say that design, to some extent, is not theoretically challenging. It's about consistency. It's a long process that might seem to be tedious at the beginning, but as long as you follow the tutor's instruction and feedback, you have the very first important step on your way to success. And it's your responsibility to practice and improve your essential designing skills in your free time. But most importantly, work hard and have fun. QUT gives you hands-on experience, industrial projects, and then a perfect training ground to become a good designer.